Hello everybody, Brian here, quantlabs.net. Just wanted to go over something here at newsbtc.com. Bitcoin mining difficulty eyes new all-time high ATH as block production ramps up. Now I've talked in two other videos regarding the Lightning chain. There's some big benefits there. I see a lot of articles on mining. So here we are talking about this article here. I'll put it in the description. And basically, right here, block production rates have risen, anticipated to beat the previous target of 6 blocks mines per hour. This number now stands at 6.2 blocks mined in an hour. This increase in block production has led to an increase in mining difficulty, which has pushed it towards new all-time highs. Going forward, there's expected to be a 4 to 5% difficulty adjustment in Bitcoin mining difficulty. So this was up 3 hours ago. I'm not going to go into all the details, but the hash rate goes up. Miners enjoy more profitability. This does impact price. This is one of the underlying reasons for Bitcoin to go up and down like it does. Daily transactions recorded uptick, same time period. It grew by a total 11%, touching 6.4 billion transaction volume per day. It was a result of recorded growth on the average transaction given volumes per day. Per day had only grown 1.5%. Average transaction volume was up 9%. Okay, so as I said, I'm not going to go more into this, but if you go over to my blog, quantlabs.net/blog, you'll see here an article I posted back in October 29th, 2021. Best on-chain metrics on BTC blockchain according to Kraken. So here's the article. So these are some of the stats or metrics that you can use: velocity, SOPR, MVRZ score, all in this one document right here. And this is from the Kraken Intelligence. Okay, I find Kraken Intelligence one of the best places to learn the underlying. Okay, so I'm just putting that tip out there as all the formulas, what it means, blah 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 blah. Okay, so if you like this sort of stuff, go over to my contact page, and again that's at quantlabs.net /contact. In there you will find my form. You can fill that out, put all your info in there, and you get some free PDFs while you're at it. You'll get put on my newsletter, and then you'll get some emails about our Telegram and private chat server as well. So there you go. Learn more about Bitcoin and other crypto and other ways to defend your wealth and all that fun stuff. We'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.